Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Prime Treasures, and I'm so glad you stopped by. Today we're diving into the world of washing machines. Whether you're looking for the latest high-tech models, energy-efficient designs, or a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, we've got you covered. We'll be exploring the top 10 best washing machines of 2025. From front-load and top-load models to smart and compact designs, these machines offer advanced features to make laundry easier and more efficient. So stick around for all the details, and as always, I'll leave Amazon links in the description so you can check them out yourself. Let's get started. Number 10 is the Whirlpool WTW8127LC. A high-capacity top-load washing machine with an intuitive design. It features a 5.3 cubic feet drum, allowing you to wash large loads in one go. The built-in load-and-go dispenser automatically adds the right amount of detergent for each cycle, saving you time and effort. With its adaptive wash technology and automatic water level sensing, it ensures every load gets the perfect clean. If you're looking for a spacious and efficient top-load washer, this one is a great pick. Number 9 is the Samsung WM45HBA, a front-load washing machine designed for smart and efficient cleaning. It comes with a 4.5 cubic feet capacity, making it ideal for medium to large households. The AI-powered smart dial learns your preferred settings and suggests cycles based on your habits. With Samsung's Super Speed Wash, you can clean a full load in just 28 minutes. If you need a smart, time-saving washer with excellent performance, this is a fantastic choice. Number 8. LG WM9000HBA. For those who want a premium front-load washer, the LG WM9000HBA is one of the best in its category. With a 5.2 cubic feet drum, this machine handles large loads effortlessly. It features turbo wash technology, cutting wash times by up to 30 minutes while maintaining a deep clean. The built-in steam function removes tough stains and allergens, making it great for families with kids or allergy sufferers. If you want a powerful high-end washer with advanced cleaning technology, this is one to consider. Number 7. Maytag MVW7230HC. Maytag is known for durability, and the MVW7230HC top-load washer is built to last. With a 5.2 cubic feet capacity, this machine offers an extra power button that boosts stain-fighting performance. It features a slow-close glass lid, deep fill options, and built-in Wi-Fi for remote control. The robust motor and stainless steel drum ensure long-lasting reliability. If you need a heavy-duty washer that can handle tough loads, this one won't disappoint. Number 6. GE Profile PTW900BPTRS. The GE Profile PTW900BPTRS is a high-efficiency top-load washer with modern features. It comes with a 5.4 cubic feet drum and an adaptive smart dispense system that holds up to 50 ounces of detergent, dispensing the right amount for each wash. The Microban antimicrobial technology helps prevent odors, while the smart integration allows you to control it with voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. If you want a large-capacity washer with cutting-edge technology, this is a great choice. Number 5. Bosch 300 Series WAT28400UC. For those who need a compact yet powerful washer, the Bosch 300 Series WAT28400UC is a top contender. It features a 2.2 cubic feet drum, making it perfect for apartments and small spaces. The Eco-Silence motor ensures quiet operation, while the Speed Perfect feature cuts wash times by up to 40%. The energy-efficient design saves water and electricity without compromising on performance. If you want a space-saving washer with excellent efficiency, This one is worth checking out. Number 4. Electrolux ELFW7637AT. Electrolux is known for its high-quality washers, and the ELFW7637AT is no exception. This front-load washer features a 4.5 cubic feet drum with Lux Care Plus technology, which ensures an even and thorough clean. The perfect steam function lifts stains without pre-treating, and the Smart Boost system premixes detergent and water for better stain removal. If you need a front-load washer with top-tier cleaning performance, this one is a solid choice. Number 3. Speed Queen TR7. Speed Queen is famous for making commercial-grade washers, and the TR7 brings that durability to home use. With a 3.2 cubic feet drum, this top-load washer may seem smaller than others, but its heavy-duty build makes up for it. It offers a solid stainless steel tub, an agitator for deep cleaning, and a long lifespan. The electronic controls are simple to use, ensuring reliability for years. If you want a no-nonsense, heavy-duty washer that lasts, the Speed Queen TR7 is a great investment. Number 2. LG Signature WM4500HBA. Taking second place is the LG Signature WM4500HBA, a high-end front-load washer packed with premium features. It features a 5.8 cubic feet drum, one of the largest capacities available. The AI-powered Intelligent Fabric Care system detects fabric type and automatically adjusts settings for the best clean. With Turbo Wash 360 and steam technology, it delivers a deep clean in under 30 minutes. If you want an ultra-modern washing machine with luxury features, this is one of the best options out there. Number 1. Samsung Bespoke WF53. Taking the top spot is the Samsung Bespoke WF53BB8700AV, the most advanced washing machine of 2025. This smart washer features a massive 5.3 cubic feet capacity and AI-powered cleaning cycles that adapt to your laundry needs. The Super Speed Wash completes a load in just 24 minutes, while the vibration reduction technology ensures quiet operation. The sleek Bespoke design allows it to blend seamlessly into any modern home. If you want the best combination of technology, efficiency, and style, this is the ultimate washing machine to get. So there you have it, the top 10 best washing machines of 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home appliance reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.